Jubilee Chibai, KUKI Worship Service Guwahati. Khát về Jubilee Chibai kan say kit ding hin response zap pon response kang ai chai na. KWSG Silver Jubilee Chibai. Kipao men KUKI nama AC muba papathin amasan thangwa na sang pen kapimasana hi salut lamkai CKWS lamkai ho KWS munchum chuma mulelhang chum chuma pata lamkai ho Guwahati muna kanam cham khompi ho munchum chuma lamkai ho KWSG Azarale 6 miles sa lamkai ho minu mi pa ahong ki khom ho zosi chule nunga golhang zapi ho zosi amasan kazana salam le Jubilee Chibai kain bu masapene na hi aban le KWA Guwahati minin CKWS lamkai tha hong kilheng ho de sana le heartiest congratulations kahin lan masai na hi dunia hi igel no diu azwa igel no sawi dong le kum som nilenga anachi masanga hitubang lunggela ne ya thale zung ana senga minu mi pa gel ho na nei ta lungle tha ana seng ho igel daun avelin ama ho zana sangta ipiu na he dunia hi kei hi kholang thangenga hongding ka hi in ta sale thagao ke khen thelo iti bang wa chu kei hi half of our body represent ka hi in na alangkhat represent to asangin atamin ahin I am representing the other half tasa which is main part of our body sia chun tunia thukan sei do ding ho hi thangsam ai lo le society oa in na gel pi uwa gunta ni ngai sa diwin avelin kain temin ahi kawa wang phaga ke sain tunia KWS lamkai hongding do ho chukapet ale tunia address ki bol pa hi mizosi address danin ka he in na hitabang chan pha he ki mo chan chan lodin ka gelin ta sa ita sa hung pau do an geluwa ita gun chu ta ni ngai sa diwin avelin kain tem kidina he we are 25 years young today youthful and full of strength but ihet diwa phakasa chu we are representing 100 years of Christianity from our mother church eho hi we are the offshoot of our mother church ibonun mother church in even in langa church nei ngena pra hung pot hiwe we are representing 100 years of God's faithfulness ti pa chu he in ken kan gel lo kan sei nom pa hi ale Jubilee lo pa hi aphai but alangkhat pa hi vet wa phaham do we have done a lot we have achieved a lot in material aspect but do we really achieve is it enough ti pa hi khatwe ivet diwin pha ka sa en church the building and the organization how we functions I find no doubt we are fine we must be one of the best organized in the world kiti ong ki sei hil punte especially Churachandpur how the church functions how we worship it's superb we are at the level of the world but when we come out of the world when we come out of the church Nangon jong di na sa lo du kaging chain, even I find it, our society is ruined. How can one part be so okay and the other part be so not okay? This is the challenge that I need to give to the rest, Zalut, Elole, Salut, Lamkai Ho, Koma challenge Kabol, no in. Who I am a part of one of the member of the church. Who chun, where ichani so diu ham, ichana chu enough itiu ham na. Chipai khatbi, ivet tha kiduwa, kei ta sabu kahi na achun. Come and, eloi pelun gati chu. Ibola, where did you stop before my doorstep? Kain nong phala uchula. You look me, you observe me quite far away. Tipa chu. Ikivet tha diun pakasain. Because ibai product pau hi ivet awale. 100 years of Christianity byproduct chu. Kay gelawang nang holong ahune ay lole. It is good enough iti diu kaging chapuin na. Tua kasay num pen khat chu ipiham tile. Ibola guazu zong le hopoi. Nisazot zong hopoi. Even if I'm alone, it's okay. Tithaidu tu. How much do we produce? We don't produce. Even if we produce, I think it is too little. We need to work more. We need to produce a person who will. Our society is leadership uchu. Hunli sala uchula. I don't find it enough. Our society don't have a stand. They cannot stand. They cannot they cannot say yes. But our church is fine. How can? Why this is disconnect? Why the disconnect? I find it, as a part of the church, are we not the first one to move? Are we not the first one to make that first move? We need to go inside the igam ileuwa income sanga in sang ke sa tambal ta chula. We are very comfortable passing that building and go to the church and enjoy our church service. Is it fair? What are we doing there? Ikipoi telu angaye. That I want to say, what I want to say is that the best aroma, the sweetest aroma is the aroma of, the sword of love, the aroma of correction, the repulsion of, rebuke, the aroma of rebuke. My father loved me. That is the sweetest aroma. If my father, the day my father stopped taking the sticks, then that aroma is not the best aroma. I want the best aroma from our church leader. Please pick up your sticks, pick up your sword, the sword of love, and please beat us, spears us. Our nation need. We don't want, I don't want how our things at homes goes. I don't want. So, in that way, we have the role to play. Shall we not? Tipahe, mul let hang chum chuma umuhiwin. The best part of it is we represent each and every nook of and corner of our land. Tipahe. Jiachu, let us give a try. Let us use this aroma once again. The aroma of rebuke. Let us rebuke each other once again. Let us don't act as if we don't know. Let us not act as if we don't see. We saw it, we see it. So let us go up to the next level, tipahi. Kaga say no mahiin. And the favorite Bible verse, which I repeated a number of times in the congregation is, Pathin in Jeremiah 27:5 achunipi mangchai ni pi sayam. I have made the earth, the man and the beast that are upon the ground by my great power and by my outstretched arm, and given it to whom it seems proper to me, aticho. I want autonomy. I have a dream of governing myself, but the Lord says it is given only to whom it is proper. Not by us, proper. When the God says it is proper, it is deemed fit that these people deserve, then only we are going to have something. In that way, in that regard, preparing our people, we have a role. We can't shy away from our roles. That basic role is in our hand. Tipahi. Tuni hungki khom. Zaum sakulam kai ho koma katep na no mahiin. Aba na azwa ka nga say penso. Matthew chapter 10 verse 34 ipi. Pakai Jesu ipi sayam. Think not that I come to send peace on earth. I come not to send peace, but a sword aticho. Chato apa nupa ailole father-in-law, mother-in-law kinasa dinga hungkahi ati nasu. I may be wrong. How I take it is, I should not tolerate something wrong which is closely done by my relatives. Eho hi ikihet him valuta chula. He is my brother-in-law. He is my that and that relation. Then we don't speak. The best way is to avoid it, but the avoiding is not the answer, because we are sailing the same boat. That boat will sink one day, and the person who avoided also will sink, and we all be sinking together. We should not avoid that. And the sweetest aroma which should come out of Guwahati Silver Jubilee is the sword of love, the aroma of chide, whip, and the aroma of rebuke, which come out of love. This should be the aroma that we should take home and take to each of our church. Tipahi kasaynomin. Last but not the least, hubung lam kai ho koma challenge ka bol nom kit khat sui piham tile. Let us look how Moses prayed when his people are going against the Lord. When God decided that I will destroy my people, what did Moses say? Chipa in khatbe eho ikibet tha diun pha ka sain. Moses gave, God gave offer to Moses. I will destroy these people. When he stepped down from Mount Sinai with the 10 commandments, you know what God offered to Moses? I will destroy these people, and I will make another out of you, Aticho. See? What an offer. Many of us, even including me, I may say, okay, chalo, please. Because God promised that He want to raise another rest from Moses. But what Moses say? Moses anom po na he. Moses speak to the people, to his people, and patil lang ako'y na the Levites come out, and the Levite Hotsu, they are with the Moses, and it was given an order: kill your brothers at the end. When you negotiate with God, you need to negotiate with action. You cannot negotiate. You forgive your brother and negotiate with God, it may not work. We cannot forgive our brother and negotiate with God. On that very day, 3,000 lives was taken. Then God said, I will speak. Moses said, I will speak to God again. You know what did Moses say? Lung set tain achon set now ngai damin. Na ngai dam zolo helding le namite min kisut lut na kamin thai mangin aticho. What sacrifice that he made? That there couldn't be any bigger sacrifice than that. Sometimes in the church, which is commonly heard, I am tired of this war, I want to go to the Lord. But Moses says, Moses is ready to sacrifice even that. Take out my names from the list if you will not be in a position to forgive my people. This is the challenge that we all should take back home. Once we start, there will be an end, there will be a finished ending. But if we don't start, we let's see him do in lung sung kap ati pachu. We are happy handshaking each other. I am happy to meet each other. But we don't want to touch some portion which we keep it out of our syllabus, out of our topic, that we need to go inside that one and clean that one and restart our journey tipahi. Challenge ka bol nomin because there should be a start. If we don't start it, I think we can be too late. Tipahi chom cha ka say nom hintin pathinin KUKI nam pathin lung lai na nam hidingin ACMP tau hen. Thank you.